Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will work on one of the kind of basic techniques in acrylic pouring. I will do a straight pour. I have this cup, it's just a measuring cup that I will pour out from, and the paints that I will use are phthalo blue. They are all blues kind of, and my pearl white for some kind of cloudy effect. I'm going for some kind of cloudy look, and I have my pearl white, light gold, this little piggy lagoon, Prussian phthalo a little bit, some metallic blue, sky blue, lakeside, some black, white, I don't know. And I will start layering this in my cup, and I will just fast forward for you this part because it's probably not interesting as much. I will pour some white in the middle, maybe just here, because I will need some more paint, obviously. I'm working on 16 by 16 inch detached canvas, so and I don't know if I have enough paint to cover it, but I don't mind to have some negative space. And I think that I will, just a second, have to put this in the middle of, in the center of my spinner. And I believe that I will go some up, down, higher, from higher and closer to the canvas, and probably travel a little bit, we will see. I just think that I will play here in the middle a little bit, because I don't like that. I want to have this line kind of here. it around, and then we will do a spin just to see what will going on, and I can still rack it in place that I will think that I maybe need. Just play with it some more if needed. Because I kind of, I don't know, let's see what will happen if we stretch this a little bit. And from now on, I will tilt this because I want to stretch some parts a little more. And get rid of a little bit of that most. I just want to stretch some lines a little more and kind of go with this because it reminds me of kind of a cave or something, and I need to go around because I need to cover my sides, of course. And I will just try to add some paint here now when it's dripping, because it's most likely similar color. I'm okay here. Whoop! I had this board underneath because my spinner is not big enough, so I put just a board of 16-inch. I just don't know if I want to stretch this a little more or not, but so gorgeous things happening, so I will. Oops, just have to. Okay, now I'm really done. Now I like the composition the most. I would love to tilt just a little more of this off if I can. gorgeous. Here is a close-up. Unfortunately, I will not be able to show you the dry results in this video, but make sure that you will check my next video, because there is a lot of these little pigments then that they will came out while drying, and I adore this painting. I wasn't so happy with the painting for such a long time, and some pearls and some weird creatures here, but they have to be, obviously. And this part with this green lagoon from these little pigments, I can't wait to see it dry. Check my video on Wednesday and you will be able to see it too. Wow, this tree here is amazing, isn't it? See you on Wednesday. Bye.